All right, welcome. Greg here from California Mudlarks. So we're pretty excited today. Got a package from a subscriber, a really generous subscriber, and a really good bottle digger himself. Goes by Real Time Strategy on YouTube. So, man, thank you so much. I definitely appreciate this. Let's see what we got. This is cool. First unboxing. I didn't know that was a thing. So, these bottles were dug in the same general area where we're mudlarking, so that makes it even cooler. All right. Go for number one here. This is like digging a bottle out of the mud. You don't know what it's going to be. Good packaging. Wow. That is nice. Volcanic. Take a look at that. That is nice. I love this aqua glass. It's a liniment for like a muscle rub. And it says, that's cool, volcanic. I wonder if it was some kind of, and there's Dr. Oh, my eyes. Dr. J.H. Mellons. That is super cool. Definitely like that one. Let's keep going. I wonder if volcanic, I'm thinking maybe volcanic pumice, mud, something. I don't know. So anybody has any information on that particular liniment, let me know. Let's see what we got here. Looks like an amber. Ooh. Wow. That is beautiful. Kind of the same kind of style we're finding down there, but I've never found one of these. That is beautiful. Definitely an Art Deco smalls, we like to call them. But amber. The label would go right there. Thank you so much, man. These are nice. Ivanka's going to love this one. And it's in Owens, Illinois. $1938, it looks like. Sweet. That's a beauty. All right, let's keep going. There's another one in here. There's another one. Let's see what we got. Oh, nice. A mini Gordon's. Gordon's Gin. New Jersey. I found one of these, but the larger size. But that's super cool. Thank you so much, Real Time Strategy. That's super awesome. I really appreciate these cool bottles. Definitely going to add these to my collection. I'm loving this one. I want to research this one a little bit more. Dr. J.H. McLeon's. McLeans. There we go. That's super cool. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And once again, thanks for the package. I'm loving it. Thank you.